Welcome to GTI Academy, where ambition meets action. Let's build your future together.
Let's bust a myth that just won't die. You get shot, someone says. Just shove a tampon in it. Nope, and here's why. Tampons are made to absorb menstrual flow, and that's low pressure, slow bleeding. Gunshot wounds, totally different beast. Use this instead. You need gauze, preferably hemostatic gauze like Quick Clot or Celox. First, pack the wound, apply pressure. Tampons just simply don't do that. Get trained and save lives. Tampons and trauma care, that's Hollywood. Real life needs real training. Get a trauma kit and take a GTI course.